To fix a declined Venmo card, start by checking your account balance and available funds. Ensure that your Venmo account is linked to an active and valid payment method, such as a bank account, credit card, or debit card. Verify that your payment method has sufficient funds to cover the transaction amount. Next, review your Venmo transaction history to identify any recurring issues or patterns. Check for any notifications or alerts from Venmo regarding account restrictions, verification requirements, or flagged transactions. If you are still experiencing issues, try updating your payment method information, such as expiration dates or security codes. You can do this by logging into your Venmo account, navigating to the Settings or Payment Methods section, and editing the relevant information. Another potential solution is to add a new payment method to your Venmo account. This can be done by linking a different bank account, credit card, or debit card. Ensure that the new payment method is valid and has sufficient funds to cover the transaction amount. Additionally, verify that your Venmo account is verified and that you have completed any required identity verification steps. This can help to resolve issues related to account restrictions or flagged transactions. If none of these steps resolve the issue, contact Venmo support directly for further assistance. They can provide more detailed guidance and help to resolve any underlying issues with your account or payment method. By following these steps, you should be able to identify and fix the issue with your declined Venmo card and get back to making transactions seamlessly. Remember to always keep your account information up to date and monitor your transaction history to prevent future issues.